Hi everyone, this is a video about these two Olfa craft knives, and somehow my old knife wasn't really good, but still it works. I looked for some knives to see which one is the best, and I come across this brand Olfa, and this I must admit this is the first time that I have heard from them. And then I researched them and I realized that they are a Japanese brand, so the quality must be second to none, and is all stainless steel. The only part plastic is the handle. And I show you the other ones that I have, which are not really good, but still they did the job. But when you haven't got the best, obviously is getting a little bit tired at the end. I'll show you them, and then we are going to take them out and see how it goes. So this is one of the cheaper one that it comes free with every craft package that you buy, and as you see it's loose, and when the blade is coming out it plays a lot. Let me just see if it focuses. As soon as I take my hand away, it just goes out of focus. And as you see here, still the knife was cutting through this, but still it works, but is not great, is not exact anyhow. But this, I like the sound of this, is very precise, but the tip and the material is plastic and rubbish really. And it has the cutter blade breaker as well. And this was the one that I was using, which wasn't really bad. And as you see, it had lots of teeth here. It means it could offer you so many use of each section. For instance, if you look, 1, 2. So for each bit you have 2 sections here. But through time it's just gone a little bit loose. And I must say this is one of those unbranded, and this part has been lost because it only was there for as means of grip was this metal, and when you take this right to the back it just pushed it out, but it still is very precise, and the tip is good. But this is a chrome plated, not stainless steel, but still works. So, and then I opted for these two. The most popular one is this SVR-1, which is something more or less like this, but with Olfa blade, and it comes with 2 spare blades. This is 2 spare Olfa blades, and this is the item itself. Is because it is a little bit shiny, is hard, my camera find it hard to focus on it. And if you see the quality, the sound of this, and it's really hard. And here it says stainless steel, and then at the back it says Olfa cutter, silver, made in Japan. And this is somehow is generic ones that you can find it in here on eBay, on Amazon, but this one is really hard to find, and I tell you why is that. And it takes 9mm blade, and the blade is Olfa as well. So this is the one, and at the back you have the blade breaker, and you just use it to just do it like so, and then break each segment of this. So this is not really bad at all. I like it a lot, and the quality is very good, and there is no play here, just a bit, if you see, but no play side to side. And my old one was good as well, if you see. After all these years, what if you knew what I have done with this? And all of those that they have this shape at the end, you can turn the blade round in order to have it left-handed or right-handed. And I show you what I mean. Let me just demonstrate it on this. If you see, like so, you just take the blade and turn it round. And on camera it's a little bit hard to do that. And if you see now, we have a left-handed blade. So this was really good. Okay, now go for the other one, which is very rare to find. And the price of this was under £7, and the price of this is under £8, but with no spare blades. And this is the craft, they call this craft knife, because the angle of the blade is 30 degrees. If you can see, if it can focuses, you can see the angle is different than this one. The picture, let me just show you on the picture. And it has only 7 segments, but the Olfa or any other one has 13 segments. And this one, it can be adapted to be left-handed or right-handed, as I demonstrated on this one, is exactly the same. But because the length of each blade is long, so it just offers you 2 pieces, 2 segments of each blade. So look, this is 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. And this one can be left-handed or right-handed, exactly the same. It's stainless steel, it says here. And on the blade, it says Olfa as well, Japan, and this is the model number. And at the back, I guess it just says the same, Olfa cutter, Japan. So this one is exactly the same as the other. It has the segment breaker, and this can be left-handed and right-handed. So if you are going for a blade, if the end of your blade is like this or like this one, it means it could be either left-handed or right-handed. But if it's like this, it means it's been designed to be specifically right-handed. As you see, the bottom one is longer than the top one, but on this one, as you see, is in the center. And the blades of Olfa, they are fantastically sharp. They are like razor blades, even sometimes sharper. So I fully recommend these two. And this one was under £8, but very rare to find, and blades are expensive as well. I guess because you pay for the quality. OCD attack and OCD alarm. So this was my old, and that's how it goes. Olfa. Fully recommend this, and either of these two, and I recommend it for any artwork and craft knives. Anyway, I guess this video is getting too long. I appreciate your subscriptions and your views and your comments, and you are the only people that I am doing all of my videos for. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video and find it useful, and until my next video, take care of yourself and each other, and as always, have a great time.